to my channel. I'm Ego Trippin', and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. I'm gonna try to go through this video like super quick because I did get a lot of stuff from Mega Drop Shop, and I don't want the video to be like 40 minutes long. So if I don't swatch some items, that is why. So we finna go into these products. If you guys are interested in seeing what I bought from Mega Drop Shop and BoxyCharm, then we finna get into it. Okay? So, all right, so here's the box right here, and here's the item. It's a pretty big box. So the first item I'm gonna pull out the box is the Ace Beauty, and this is the Floral Vintage. Now, it has a mirror right there, and these are the colors. I think it is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. The second one is from Ace Beauty as well, and I don't know how to pronounce that. Quintentional Palette Eyeshadow, I think. So that's the second Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. This one doesn't have a mirror. So here are the colors right here. It's really pretty. Again, I love their formula. I definitely wouldn't have bought all of these palettes if I wouldn't have loved them, but they've got really good formula. They blend really well and very pretty. I don't know, Ace Beauty is one of those palettes that I will forever, ever love. Like, I love this. So that's the second one. Here's the third Ace Beauty palette, and this is called Vintage Dawn. This does have a mirror right here, and here are the shades right there. Super pretty, super pretty. I'm telling you, let me swatch this one. They have some really pretty colors. They're right there. I mean, super pretty. I'm gonna do this red one right here too, and the bluish purple, and this yellow. So there they are. Look at that form. This is the fourth Ace Beauty palette, and this is super pretty. This one has a mirror right here, and these are the colors right there. I mean, just pretty. Let me swatch a couple of these. Okay, I'm gonna swatch this color right here, this one, and this one. So pigmented. Look at that. So pretty. That blue right there. Look at that. Look how pretty those are. I mean, their formula is the bomb. Their formula is the bomb. So that's the fourth one. All right, the next palette I got was from Violet Voss, and I do like Violet Voss. I didn't really like that pink one that I got from Violet Voss, but I wanted to give it another try and go in with some deeper colors, because the Violet Voss one that we just got not too long ago, I don't know if it was in the base box or the premium box, but it was just a little bit light. I did like it, but I wanted to try the formula with darker shades. So there's that. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, wait, that's pretty. That is did I get the right shade? That black is super black. Those are so pretty. This is like a dual chrome shade, so look how pretty that is. Very pretty. Okay, Violet Voss. Okay, Violet Voss. Alright, so there's that right there. Super pretty. I'm loving it. I can't wait to use that. Alright, the next one is Voss and London, and this is the palette right here. Here are the colors right here. This is really pretty. That's pretty. I like that. All right, I went in twice. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me do another color that y'all can see. Let's do this green color right here. That's so pretty. Okay, pretty, very pretty. There it goes right there, that color. Super pretty. These are beautiful. All right, next we got the iconic London palette, the bronzing and sculpting palette right here. It's already messy because I used it already. There's the colors right there. This was okay. This wasn't bad. Let me just say this wasn't bad. It's actually a preference. It's a personal preference. I tried to, I couldn't make my color as far as the bronzing and sculpting out my cheekbones, but I ended up making it work. The other one was the darker color in there was a little bit too muddy for me. I just couldn't come up with a shade, but it ended up working. It ended up working. And then what I'll do is I'll use these for concealer. So this wasn't bad at all. That's that. This is the Ofra cheek blush palette, which was absolutely beautiful. I did try this on in my previous video, so if you guys haven't seen it, I'll make sure to link it up above, but beautiful, or down below. This is the Fenty Beauty, and it's the Penny for Your Thoughts right there. Super pretty. Very pigmented, very highlighted. It's just very pretty. That's really pretty. So that is that. All right, next we got the Huda Beauty Curl Obsession. And this came broke. Some shades were broken here, and I do have to email them so I can let them know because I wasn't too happy about that, but I'm gonna try to hold it so y'all can see it. Okay, so these are the broken shades right here. I gotta have another one because it came just like this, and again I wasn't feeling it. Like, I really wanted this palette and it came busted all up, so there it is. So there's the Huda Beauty right there. These palettes are too much money for y'all to be having these busted up and jacked up like that, so I'll definitely be giving them a call for that, but I really wanted that. It was super pretty. Next is the ABH Norvina. I love Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I do have, I think I have one palette by ABH. Yeah, I love, this is the eye look that I did with these colors. Absolutely gorgeous. It does have a mirror right here, but beautiful. Just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. What can you say about ABH? Nothing, but they have beautiful palettes. Beautiful palettes. Okay, the next one is another Ofra blush. And I didn't try this one yet, but I'm sure it's thebomb.com. So here it is. I love their packaging, so pretty. And look at this blush, super pretty. I'm sure it's actually, I don't even, why did I do that? I'm sure this blush color was in the first palette. So that was dumb. So this is called Blush Mai Tai, I think. All right, so that is that. Next product, I did want to try a couple of her things by Addison Rae. This is the Item Beauty, and it's a brow chow, and I really love this. I really did. Here it is right here. I used this for my eyebrows. Worked really good. It really did. I won't use the tip. I don't like those type of brushes, but that's a personal choice. It's a preference. This worked really good, so I really love that. All right, next we have the Earth Harbor eye cream right here, and I got 3 of them came in as a package deal. So this is the eye cream right here. This is the other Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk, and this is a moisturizer because I did need, I ain't gonna say I needed, I wanted more moisturizers, so here's that right there. Again, the 3 of them came in a set. It was this, the eye cream, and then the oil that I'm getting ready to pull out here. So this is the Sunshine Antioxidant Cleansing Oil, and it smells really, really good. I love Earth Harbor products. I really, really do. They work really good. We're almost done, y'all. We are almost done. And here's the Velvet Skin Drink by Kors, or Kors, I do believe. I just wanted to grab this because I didn't know if I was going to get it for sure in my box. So here it is right here. And I'm not going to open it. So there's that. It's a pretty nice, big, pretty bottle. But I wanted to pick up those products just in case I didn't get them in my box. So I did. So that is that. I don't know why, but I don't know why I got this brush, but I'm not hearing a lot of good reviews on this brush. So I shouldn't say I don't know why I got it, but I did pick this brush up. It's a little bit too flimsy for me to use as contour. I don't know what I would use that part for. And this right here just seemed a little bit too hard. I guess you can wet it. I don't know. I don't know why I picked this up, because I don't think I would even personally use this. I guess you use this in a crease. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't even know. Okay, so then you have the, it's a 4-in-1, pretty much, a 4-in-1 brush. It just don't seem, I don't know. It's just something that I'm sure I wouldn't even use. So this is it's a multitasking 4-in-1 makeup brush by Alley Oop. Came in this box right here. So I don't know. I wish I can send it back, but obviously I can't. And I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's the Maracuja Miracle Spray. So it's the setting spray. That's a very fine mist. I want to try that. That's a setting spray. The next product is an eye primer right here, and this is by M2U, New York City. All right, the next product is it's again by Huda Beauty, and that's the Air Hug Concealer. I only got like 2 products from her, so I really do love her packaging. I think it might be a little bit too light. Ooh, I think that's gonna be really, really good, but we always make it work. We do. Oh yeah, her concealer is bomb. I like that. The concealer is bomb. I'm definitely gonna like that. So that is the concealer. I love the bottle. I love her packaging too. Next product I got is the Vow Brow by Rowan. And this is in medium. So this is the eyebrow pencil. And I think we received this before, and I did like it. So here it is right here. That's the spoolie. And then you have the pencil right there. Next product in the bag is by Yensa, and this is a primer, tone up primer. And again, I wanted to get this. I think this was in one of the boxes, but I wanted to try it anyway. That is the Yensa Color and Face Tone Up Primer, Essential Glow. So that's the primer. I hope it's some good. All right, the next product are these sponges right here, and this is a makeup blending sponge set right here. Next we have the Glam Glow right here, and it's a moisturizer. We have another Glam Glow moisturizer right here. I ordered these 2 right here. These are eyeshadow bases. These work really, really good. Really, really good. And I still have one right here. We have the Touch and Soul primer, which I've been wanting to try it. It's the Icy Sherbet primer right here. So there's the Icy Sherbet primer right there. All right, I didn't think, this is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is in Kilowatt Foil. I didn't think I grabbed this. Huh. I didn't even know I had this. Oh, that I did grab that. This is so pretty. All right, this is the Fenty Beauty. Color is Mimosa Sunrise. And then the berry color is Sangria Sunset. So very pretty. I forgot I did grab that. There's that. So super pretty. All right, these are the last two products. And this is the St. Lux pencil. Lip liners. I don't know why I grabbed these two because I already got two of them that I ain't used yet. I think I used them for a video, but I don't know. I don't even know why I ordered them because I haven't even went through those yet. And then the last product is this Huda Beauty Demi Matte lipstick right here. And that's it. That is it, you guys. I think that's it. Is that all the stuff? Yeah, that is it. That's it for all the items from Mega Drop Shop. And sorry I went through it so fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I am Ego Tripping. And I'm out. Bye, y'all.